In an effort to make lemonade out of some remote learning lemons, I have decided to use the upcoming school year as an opportunity to unify some of the design aspects of my curriculum and finish up some projects that I've had hanging around for a while. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how I used both Drafts and Keyboard Maestro to create an extensive series of projects in OmniFocus to help me get those things done. The first thing I did was use the task paper formatting in Drafts to think about all of the things I wanted to get done each week. While doing this, I also assigned my OmniFocus tags and estimated durations for each item. Once I had a standard week taken care of, I could copy and paste this text into OmniFocus and create a project. However, I wanted 40 of these projects, each one identifying a separate week. Meaning I wanted the project title to say week 1, week 2, all the way up to 40. So I started copying and pasting this chunk of text and going back and fixing the week identifiers by hand. Then I realized it'd be much better to have Keyboard Maestro do this for me. So I started a new macro and copy and pasted this task paper text into this insert text by pasting block. While I'm sure there's a way to automatically increase this number by 1 each time, I don't know how to do that. And figuring out how would cost me time instead of saving me time. So I used the ask for input function and then incorporated that variable into the task paper text. I then added 2 returns to get me a fresh line in Drafts and then wrapped the whole thing up in a repeat function and told Keyboard Maestro to do this 39 times. I gave it a quick temporary hotkey trigger of hyperkey W, clicked back over into Drafts, triggered the macro, and started typing in the week numbers. Keyboard Maestro plugged in my dates, pasted in the text, and asked me for the next week. Once I did that for all 40 weeks, I copied the entire document and pasted it into OmniFocus. And just like that, 40 unique projects with all the tags and estimated durations right where I want them in OmniFocus. Nothing mind-blowing here, just a simple example of how you can put the right programs together with a little bit of automation and improve your precision and save you a bunch of clicks, even if you only use it once. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please consider liking, sharing, or subscribing. There will always be more content like this coming.